Hey YouTube, it's Brett Mustang 1, and we're going to be doing a Zippo unboxing. We're going to be using my Kershaw Ken Onion little mini knife, spring assisted, very nice knife. So, I think we got two Zippos here. So, we will cut this open without damaging anything, hopefully. I need to get a knife sharpener. Ugh. Is there anything in here? I don't think there is. So we're gonna pull first Zippo out. I think some of you guys will know what that is already. And second one, nothing else inside. Alright, so guys, we will start with the left one first. So let's open her up. Ooh. Alright guys. Damn it, there's no price sticker on this thing. But there is a little orange tag on the back. It's okay. So, as you can see, that was a Street Chrome Zippo Slim, my first Zippo Slim. And it says Slim Street Chrome 1507. So we're gonna open this up. And guys, this was made in C of 11. And so we'll pull the thing up here. Zip sticker is kind of stuck. So we'll just pull the sticker off. Sorry about that, guys. My dad and my brother walked in. So we'll take this off. Just because of that. Pull this off nice and slow. Try not to get all the stuff. Almost perfect. So as you can see, it's a lot thinner, the box and stuff. So very nice. This is not going to be a user. This will just be my collection. And insert was also made in C of 11, if you can kind of see that. It says C of 11. So, first one was the Zippo Street Chrome. And now, we're going to open this guy up. Ooh. So this is the Brushed Chrome 1937 Replica Zippo. And checking this out, this will be my new everyday carry Zippo thing. And let's pull this out. So let's see, gives you a little pamphlet to take care of your brass lighter, which is pretty cool. Put that back in there, and then you got your Zippo guarantee right there. I'm not gonna pull that out, but just pop that there. Put the cover back on. Put the Zippo to the side. On the back here, 240 vintage brass, or vintage brushed fin, or BR fin brass. So yep, failed at that, but put the box. So here, the price is $24.95. That's not what I paid for it at all. And this was made in G of 12. The last Zippo, or my Zippo Slim that I pulled out, was made in March of 11, and this is made in G. So what the heck is it? This is made in July of 12, July of last year. So we'll take price sticker off. Put that right in here. And we will pull off the nice sticker we got. Hopefully this will come off with ease. Not be a pain in the ass. Notice here there's a little scratch on it already. Pull this sticker off. Sorry it's taking so long. But oh, there's a little bit. Nope, we're good. Alright. So we have another lighter coming within the next day or two. So I'll do a Zippo collection update when this lighter comes. And show you that later. But anyway. Very tight flint. And this hinge almost hits the end, just like a normal Zippo. Excuse me there. Nice brass insert, and this is made in H of 12, if you can kind of see that. Sorry about my lighting. But how bad is the hinge? Hinge is very tight, alright. But a very nice Zippo at that. So now I'll show you guys how to fill it. Just gotta grab my lighter fluid and we'll be back in 1 second, so hang on. Alright, so I'll write to you then. We're back here. Got my Zippo fluid. So what you guys gotta do is pop this open, pull out your insert, and then pull your lift to fill little John thing here. Pull up your, I guess, cotton, and then there's rayon inside, or a felt pad, sorry. I just gotta open this off camera for a sec. Alright, so it's open. So what you want to do is just put it over 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Wait a second, let that get down there. You can even put the lighter in your case if you want. And just go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Let it get down there again. Then we'll fill it again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Alright, and we should be good. So, after that, pop it back in your case. Get down in there nice and good. And just put it back in. Put the cam down. And flick it. And you should have a nice strong flame. Just like that. And guys, those are an unboxing of my two new Zippos. My brush brass 1937 Replica Zippo. And my street chrome Zippo Slim. Now I didn't pay $24.95 for this. I paid, if you guys care, I think I paid around 15 bucks for it. And the street chrome I paid around like $9-10 bucks for it. And they were both free shipping. So I definitely recommend Affordable Luxury, because they shipped it to me in 3 days exactly. And guys, check them out on Amazon. I was really happy with what they did and how fast they shipped. So guys, thanks for watching this Zippo unboxing collection update, and we'll see you guys later. Bye.